Let's talk about the COVID-19 situation first in the country. And amid the Festival of Colours, there are concerns that the cases of COVID also could be seeing a spike given the manner in which this festival is celebrated. But what about the COVIDiots who already are in fact hell-bent on ensuring that the situation goes completely out of hand? Look at these pictures. These are COVIDiots partying in Lucknow right now. In spite of repeated warnings really from the government, the revelers here were in violation of all COVID protocol, as you can see clearly in these pictures. There was no COVID appropriate behavior being followed, no mask, no social distancing, in spite of the fact that various state governments have gone ahead and said, including the Uttar Pradesh government, that if you are celebrating the festival, do it with only your close family members and do not gather in such fashion. In fact, Section 144 has been imposed in UP, where gathering of more than 5 people is not even allowed. But look at these pictures. Way too many people coming together and throwing caution out of the window. Police, after receiving a tip-off, raided this particular place as the party was still in flow. They've registered an FIR against the accused in this case. Well, these pictures are from Vrindavan. There was always a concern that in Vrindavan, where Holi is celebrated in a huge way and it's really, really popular, the Holi from Vrindavan, there would be people gathering here again. And in spite of the warnings, look at the crowds. The people have been gathering, and these are crowds from Vrindavan, where people have gathered and are celebrating again, throwing caution completely out of the window. The COVIDiots were seen playing with Rang and Gulal without mask or social distancing. People also then went to temples to offer prayers in the holy city, but very few then observed COVID protocols and threw, like I said, the caution out of the window. Other COVIDiots not too far away, there in the state of Rajasthan, where you see Congress netas there celebrating Holi, and in fact they're taking part in this particular program. And as you can see from these pictures, all the COVID appropriate behavior that is supposed to be followed here, all of that is being ignored by all of these people here. Violating COVID protocols, the event was attended by a Congress MLA, Hakam Ali. The MLA was also seen dancing with the crowd and violating all social distancing norms.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.